Alright, this one I'm going to start up this I'm going to guess 70s Sears chainsaw. I got off a older guy that I did some chainsaw work for. Love the lightweight logo on it, although it's quite hefty. It's actually made with metal back in the day. But a while back the spark arrestor on the exhaust here fell off, so it's now gotten quite loud. Basically that's what I do to piss off the neighbors. Start this thing up and make a lot of noise. So I thought it'd be an interesting video, because after this I'll start up my regular chainsaw and you can see the difference in noise. Ethanol, gotta love it. Makes your ears tingle. And this I got back when I was 14, because you can imagine everybody's mother buys them a chainsaw like this. But went to a logging depot with my mom when I was 14 and came away with this thing. And this is going to be significantly quieter, so, just for comparison's sake. So you can see the difference, but I don't know, just thought I'd make a video of me making noise.